Why can some kids remember everything so fast, while others forget?
Great question. Memory looks like magic, but it is actually a pattern your brain builds through tiny steps. It feels fast, but it is trained. When you learn something new, your brain connects little sparks together and saves them like puzzle pieces. The connections matter. Today we will uncover one simple trick that helps your brain save information faster and remember it longer.
So, what does that actually mean?
It means memory is not about being born smart. It is about teaching your brain when to pay attention. Your brain remembers what it touches many times, not what it sees once. Repetition sends a signal. When you space things out, repeat small pieces, and connect ideas, your memory grows stronger every day. Learning becomes easier because your brain knows exactly where to store things.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes, the brain changes. Every time you review something, even for a few seconds, nothing is wasted. Your hippocampus, the memory center, grows stronger from repeated practice, just like a muscle. Small effort builds strength. Remembering good things and keeping them in your heart builds wisdom. When you repeat truth, gratitude, or facts, your brain literally rewires itself.
How does this show up in real life?
You forget homework when you only look once. Quick looks fade fast, but you remember songs you hear many times. Your brain loves repeats. You memorize Bible verses when you practice a little every day. In school, friendships, sports, or chores, the brain saves what you revisit. If you touch something in small doses, your memory locks it in.
So, small equals big?
Exactly, small reviews become strong memory highways in your brain. They build paths. If you add one tiny piece each day, your learning grows like a snowball rolling downhill. Momentum matters. Over time you learn faster, because old information becomes automatic. The smallest reviews today become your superpower tomorrow.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Review something for just 1 minute, twice a day. Step 2. Connect the new thing to something you already know. Links make memories stick. Step 3. Teach it to someone, because teaching locks memory in place. These 3 tiny steps make you learn faster, without studying longer.
What should we do today?
Pick one thing you want to remember. Keep it simple. Review it for 60 seconds this morning, and 60 seconds tonight. Notice the difference. See how much easier it feels tomorrow. If you learned something helpful today, comment the word memory below. And subscribe if you want more brain-boosting episodes. Your brain grows each time you repeat something small, even for a moment. Nothing is too tiny. The small steps you take today become the powerful memory tools you use tomorrow. Training beats talent. Learning gets easier when you train your brain in little doses. You already have everything you need to grow.
See you in the next episode.